What's good, Mogulz Fam? It's your boy, and I am back with another banger. So I'm back with a banger right now in things or ends. So today is that I'm gonna show you how to know what's in NASDAQ will buy or in NASDAQ will sell. So kahle kahle, it's a strategy that has been working, for me. You know what I'm saying? So I want y'all to know how do I do that? How do I literally do that? What's in this deck? It's going for a buy or it's going for a sell at 15:30, because you have to even know isikhathi ukuthi ngalesi sikhathi imarket izomova. So I got news for you, and I'm so glad ukuthi excuse me, I'm so super full, y'all. Like, my stomach is so full, so bear with me. So yeah, that's basically that is. But let me try to set things up a bit so that you can know what things that you need to consider mawuzo funa utrader in NASDAQ. Okay, so what you need to have okokuqala ukuthi you need to download le app le CNBC. The app le, it's very important because iyona ekunikeza that indication ukuthi as in this is what's going to happen in markets. So you need to download that, whether it's in Play Store or Apple Store. So mawukuthi uphatha i-Apple. For me on this side, I'm just an Android lover. I just love Android. They make it easy for everything, so yeah. And then once you have come to home page, you need to press this 3 buttons right there, like this one, you know what I mean? So let's just press that one, and then we are watch list. So automatically, because there's nothing, even though I did place this a segment right there for y'all to know what this is just for NASDAQ. I did that on purpose. So you need to go to watch list and then press this plus right here. Well, imagine I'll see it. This plus right here, the blue one. And then what do? You type. Okay, first of all, it will be Tesla. Okay, it's already here. You add that Tesla. Then plus again Microsoft Office, you add. And then Apple Store. Apple. That's what I'm talking about. Apple Inc. Feel me? Then Amazon. I'll say, okay, let me. Amazon, yeah. Amazon. USA. It's USA. You have to make sure that is just USA. And then 3 more left. Let me try to check. Okay, then it's Facebook. You know what I mean? Facebook, and then okay, wait. Add, then Netflix. Okay, then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the last one is Google. It's Google, guys. Google. Okay, there are 2 Googles here. Let me double check first. Okay, it's Class A. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm never gonna eat so much again. So yeah, basically this is what you do. This is NASDAQ. Into kufanele uyazi ukuthi how do you know what's okay it's gonna buy? Yabo, kubo bonke laba, which is Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, and Google. All of them have to be a green. Yabo njengoba green nje Google, no Netflix, no Facebook, no Microsoft. All of them have to be green. So then when all of them are green, it means that you should buy at 3:30. But when all of them are red, it means you should sell NASDAQ at 3:30. When it's in between, don't enter, because you'll be confused and the markets will just go on its ways. But it's gonna be like a bit difficult for the direction to be accurate. So what if some of them are njengoba kade ngisho ukuthi uma ukuthi akukho njalo, you have to just leave. But there are only two positive like positive impacts la asuke khona kulama companies. It's firstly Tesla, and then secondly it's Amazon, and there's a third one too. It's Google. Yeah, it's Google, because I remember Tesla is number one, and then it's Google and Microsoft. So when those are green, make sure you buy, and the rest is just an accompanying we're going on the direction. But you buy when it's all green, you sell when it's all red. That's just about it. Then you make some blues, the blues, just the blues. And make sure you sign up with CNBC, just to be able to log in nicely and stuff. So yeah guys, that's about it actually. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope you understand the video. Like if y'all have many questions or any questions, just comment down below. Peace. Peace y'all.